Hello there, Goshen Lane 4th and 5th graders. So today I'm actually at Goshen Lane, so I decided to take our video from here. I had some work to come in and pick up, so I decided I would do our quick video for the day in here. A lot of our videos have been just reading and writing, so today, because I have the smartboard behind me here, I decided, you know what, let's do some math practice today for our learning segment, video segment today. And we're going to go through 3 different levels of math. And this is just going to be adding today. I've got a lot of work from your parents. I've got to see different ways that you're adding at home. And these are going to be the 3 different levels that kids in our classroom work on adding. So level 1's going to be an easier level. Level 2 is going to be making sure that we know how to carry when we're adding, and level 3 is going to be double by double digit addition, and we're going to make sure that we're 100% able to do all 3 of these levels before we move on. This is going to be our video today, and we're going to start with level 1. So level 1, we're just going to think about basic addition. Okay? As you can see here, scoot it in actually a little bit. Let's make sure you can see. There we go. As you can see here, it says 5 plus 3. Okay? When we're doing 5 plus 3, there's many ways that we can solve this problem. Okay? We can use our touch points. We know there's 5 touch points on the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we know there's 3 on 3. 1, 2, and 3. And we can count all of those touch points up and get our answer. Or we can also come over here to the side. I always tell you guys to draw pictures, so you guys can draw pictures as well. So you can do 5 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can do 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. And we can count all these up, because we know this addition sign means what? It means we're adding all together. All together. So let's figure out what 5 plus 3 is. This is level 1. This is an easier level, but we do have some people working on this level. All together we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know 5 plus 3 is 8. Right? Now we're going to move right to level 2. Right to level 2. Going to level 2 now. So in level 2 is when we're going to start thinking about carrying numbers, okay? Level 2 is when we're going to start thinking about carrying numbers. So we have the addition problem right here. 12 plus 9. And we're going to solve that. 12 plus 9. So we could use touch points on the number 9, but we really can't do touch points on the number 12. So that option is out. But what we can do is we can do our dots. We can do our dots. We can do 12 dots up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we could add 9 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we can count all of these dots all together and solve our problem for 12 plus 9. Or there's another option. You could start with the 9 down here. You could start with the bigger number. And you could go 9 and then put the touch points on the smaller number. And we split this up by a dotted line because we have 1s here and 10s here. 1s and 10s, right? And we can go 9, 10, 11. We put that 1, but that's only 1, 1. What does the other 1 in 11 go? That's right, we put it right up here. We carry that 1. So we had 9 plus 2 equals 11. We put a 1 for the 1s, and we carry a 1. and then we have a 1 plus a 1 for the 12th. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 21. Okay, we carried here. That's the carrying route. Or if you drew a picture, watch this. If we count up all our dots over here, we still should get 21. Okay, we still should get 21. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we just had 2 ways to solve this problem. You can always draw a picture in math. Anything that we do in math, we can always draw a picture, or we could solve it by touch points and carrying. Carrying is what you're going to use a lot in the future, because if you have a big number like 431, you're not going to want to draw all those dots for 431. That would be a huge picture. So that's why the carrying rule and those small touch points and splitting it up by ones, tens, and hundreds even is a quicker way. So let's move to level 3 really quick here. Level 3. It's going to be our last level, and this is going to be thinking about double digit by double digit addition and triple digit by triple digit addition. This is level 3. This is the hardest level of addition. Level 3. Okay? Level 3. And what we're going to start with here is a smaller one. We'll do 2 level 3s. We have 24 plus 27. So we know we could draw a picture over here of 24 and 27, but that would take a lot of work, right? That would take a lot of work to draw 27 dots, 24 dots, and if we mess up our picture, then we get the wrong answer, okay? So what we can do is we can divide this up. We know we have our ones. We have ones right here, and we have our tens right here, right? Ones and tens. And we can use touch points. We can use touch points. So we don't even need to start putting touch points on 7, but we can. We know how to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have 4 on this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Oh, so we have 11, just like the last problem. So what do we do with the first one? We know one of the ones go there. And what do we do with the other one? That's right, we carry it, because now 11 has 1 in the tens and 1 in the ones. So we put the 1 in the ones. Now we're carrying the other one, and we're putting it right there. So now we just do touch points again if we wanted to. Or we could draw a picture. This is a much smaller picture if we wanted to draw. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 1, 1 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that answer is 51. And you could always split this up by ones and tens and draw pictures for that. So there's always ways to make it a little smaller, a little easier. You can use touch points. Or you could have just did 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make those a little bigger dots. And we know 4 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Gave us 11. We carry the 1. And then we come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. And then we had 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 51. Okay? We have one more level 3 that you guys need to worry about today if you are in the level 3s. And let's solve that one. And then you guys will have an activity to go with this. Okay? You will need scrap paper for this activity because you see Mr. Shrake is drawing a picture for almost every problem he's completing. Okay? Level 3, we're going to do we're going to do 1 3-digit by 3-digit addition with some carrying. Okay? We'll say 396 plus 155. Okay? And we're adding so we know we're doing all together all together. Adding is always all together. We're putting two things and we're adding it all together. And we can split this up with our dotted lines. That's always helpful to think about ones, tens, and hundreds. And we're going to solve it, okay? We're going to solve it now. So we have 6. We can do touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. What do we do with the other one? Tell me. Say it. We got 11. We put 1, 1 there, and we're carrying the other. We have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to put the 5. It's 15. Do we just put a 15 there? No. We don't just put a 15 in that. We have to carry that 1 to the next level up. Only that first number can go there. 1, 5. The 5 goes here. What do we do with the other? We do the carry the 1. We're carrying. This is called the carrying rule. And we're adding this last one. We have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our answer here is 551 when we add 396 plus 155. Okay? So there's 3 different levels of math that we're talking about today. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. I want you guys to practice your levels that you guys are on. I'm going to upload a document right next to this that you guys can write on a scrap paper. You can copy it down on a scrap paper, draw pictures, use manipulatives that you have at home, use blocks that you have at home. I want you guys to practice these things. I want you to practice these 3 different levels. Pick the level that you're on and practice it. If you're at too hard of a level, go down a level. But there's going to be questions for level 1, level 2, and level 3. Try your best. This is Thursday. Tomorrow, Mr. Drew's going to be sending me a cooking video for you guys to do at home if you want to. And then it is Easter weekend, so I hope you guys all have a great Easter weekend. Stay safe. I miss seeing you guys in all your chairs here in this classroom, but thank you guys for taking the time. Thank you guys for working hard, and I can't wait to see you again. Thanks, guys.